In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account with TurboTax. If you're new to TurboTax and need to get started, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can create your account smoothly and move on to using the platform. As you follow along, make sure you're on the official TurboTax website and have your basic contact information ready. To begin, look for the Sign Up option on the page and click it. This is what starts the account creation process. If you're already on the main website, the Sign Up button is usually easy to spot near the top of the screen. Once you select it, you'll be taken to the registration form where you can enter your details. Next, enter your email address, create your password, and type in your phone number. Be sure to use an email address that you can access, since it may be used for important updates, verification, and account recovery. When creating your password, choose something secure that you'll be able to remember. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account and your personal information. For the phone number field, enter a valid number that you currently use, since it may be needed for security verification or to help recover your account later if necessary. As you fill out the form, take a moment to review everything before moving on. It's a good habit to double check that your email address is spelled correctly and that your phone number is accurate. Even a small typo can cause issues with logging in or receiving verification messages. Once all of your information is entered, click Create Intuit Account. This submits your details and sets up your new account. After that, TurboTax may guide you through a verification step, depending on your setup, so just follow any on-screen prompts if they appear. These extra security steps are normal and help keep your account safe. And that's it. Once your account is created, you'll be ready to continue using TurboTax and access its tools and features. If you run into any issues during sign-up, the most common causes are a mistyped email address, an invalid phone number, or a password that doesn't meet the platform's requirements. Correct those details and try again. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to create an account with TurboTax.